Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the Fine Arts online classes. Today we will start Unit 2, the Mughal and Deccan Schools of Miniature Painting. You know, this Mughal school of miniature painting was also recognized by the name Art of Artistocracy. As our India is called democratic country, democracy is there. That time art was so much in culture. That period was art of artistocracy period. Okay. You know, the Mughal art was quite different from Sultanate art and Islamic art. You know why? Because the themes of the paintings, the style of the art, the human figures at that time they made, and the artists of the Islamic art, this all was came from Islamic world. And where was the Islamic world? It is basically based in Persia and Iran and in Turkey. You know, those paintings were Indian. Why? Because they have painted those paintings in India. But the feelings of the paintings was not at all Indian. Why? Because they all were influenced from the Mughal art. You know, when this art started when Akbar was in rule. When Akbar was the ruler, and this Mughal art came into existence when Akbar promoted this. So that is why Akbar is acknowledged as the father of the Mughal art. You know why? Because his two preceders rulers, अकबर के पहले के जो दो रूलर्स थे, बाबर एंड हुमायूं, they were completely busy in stabilizing the emperor. Okay, empire को वो establish करने में बहुत busy थे. But Akbar was a artistic person. उन्होंने अपना empire को तो stable किया ही, but with that he also expand the area of artistic field. He encouraged the architectural skills in his courtship. आपको पता है अकबर के दरबार में there was a tasveer khana named tasveer khana where he picturized his pictures, his books. For the picturization of the books, he established a tasveer khana in his court, and he also established one paper mill. कहाँ पर है वो? That is in Sialkot right now. The Sialkot currently is in Pakistan. You know, Akbar का behavior Hindu and other religions के towards बहुत अच्छा था. सभी को वो साथ में मिलकर लेकर चलते थे. That is why artist of the Akbar court was very beautifully included the Islamic values and royal Iranian themes with the Hindu style and the Indian aesthetic scenes in their paintings. This is really very important. अकबर के दरबार में हिंदू पेंटर्स बहुत ज़्यादा मेचॉरिटी में थे और वो जो काम करते थे, लेकिन वो काम करते थे ईरानियन मास्टर्स की गाइडेंस में. उन दोनों के नेम है मीर सैयद अली एंड अब्दुल समद. इसीलिए वो जो एलिमेंट्स बनकर निकल के आए वो टू डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स की पेंटिंग्स बनकर आई. बिकॉज हिंदू ने अपना एंड मुस्लिम्स ने अपना उसमें विजन रखा. सो एक बहुत सुंदर आर्ट निकल कर आई. अकबर्स रीजन वॉज इनिशिएटेड पीरियड. फर्स्ट इनिशिएट लिया था उन्होंने, अकबर ने, मुगल आर्ट के लिए. ओके, उस पीरियड में जो पेंटिंग्स बनाई थी वो सभी सिस्टमैटिक थी, सीरियलाइज्ड थी और सिग्निफिकेंट उन्हें वॉल्यूम दिया था. किस सीरियल्स में थी, किन चीज़ों की उन्होंने पेंटिंग्स बनवाई थी? जैसे रामायण. दोज पेंटिंग्स वर डिपेंडेंट ऑन रामायण, महाभारत, हरिवंश पुराण, हमजानामा, शाहनामा, तूतीनामा, बाबरनामा, इन सभी पर उन्होंने वो पेंटिंग्स बनवाई थी. दैट इज वाई ऑल दोज पेंटिंग्स वर serialized and systematic. All these paintings were excellent of the color mixture. They were clearly executed. Lines were vibrating. Delineation was beautiful. Overcrowded but balanced figures were there. Potential demonstration, balanced body, assembling pretty round faces and full-fledged screen. All these things are the main characteristics of Mughal art paintings. Now let's see the art during Jahangir period. Jahangir was very sharp and sighted and sensitive against charming beauty of both human and nature. Jahangir was a poetic person, imaginative person. In his period, the paintings were impressive, more excellent. The paintings of birds and animals are counted among the best paintings of the world in his period time. Now let's see the art during Shah Jahan period. Shah Jahan actually preferred architecture more than paintings. He loved architectures. तो उन्होंने शाहजहां ने बहुत सारे structures बनवाए थे, जैसे ताजमहल is the best structure, you know that. Now our next painting is Kabir and Raidas. Students, for the remaining chapter, tune in for the next video. Thank you.